what is really interesting about this, and you can actually get the copy of this finding by the State Bar on the State Bar's website, what it says is it's a very narrow ruling. It basically says that Governor Easley accepted a felony plea for filing a false campaign report that he did not sign, because he didn't, his campaign treasurer did, and he's surrendering his law license for 2 years, and they act as if nothing else happened, as if Governor Easley didn't do all the things that were aired in the State Board of Elections hearings, which included the laundering of money by top campaign donors through the State Democratic Party to the Easley account. Those were all illegal. The receipt of free cars by Mike, Mary Easley, and Mike Jr., that was not, it acted as if that this was just some sort of isolated incident, some sort of paperwork error, and that there was no larger story to be told at all here. And that's what's very striking about this. The State Bar has just walled off this one little incident, saying this is all that he did wrong, this was it, and because he had no prior record, we're going to get him off as easily as possible.
Is there still information that Carolina Journal would like to have, documents and things about the whole Easley situation and the lists that you mentioned, but which are not available for some reason?
Well, unless someone actually provides that information, if some player in, for instance, the Canonsgate real estate deal, that in which Governor Easley purchased a piece of property that at a huge discount with no money out of pocket, and then was given a rebate of $137,000 at closing in cash. I mean, we don't know. We have the closing document, but nothing else. We have no records, or very few of those, indicating how some of these big campaign donors used various Easley administration officials to game the system, to get expedited permits for developments that they were working on and things like that. All these sorts of things would have been aired out in public trial, or at least in the discovery process leading up to a trial. And now it's possible we'll never see this unless somebody writes a tell-all book, or unless there's some other action that we're not aware of right now, some other criminal investigation that we're not aware of right now that would unearth all this information.